Hey y'all, Lou Gordon with Century 21 Revolution here in Boston's Southie neighborhood with my dog Wednesday to tell you about a great condo coming to market at 165 West 6th Street. Located off West Broadway, the beating heart of South Boston, 165 West 6th Street is in close proximity to Red Line train stops, bars, restaurants, grocery stores, shopping, nightlife, and so much more. This 2-bed, 1-bath is perfect for young professionals or investors. Let's have a look inside. Gut renovated in 2017, this condo features a modern kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances, updated bathroom, in-unit laundry, and an open floor plan, just to name a few of its finer qualities. Unit A is one of the few in the association with direct access to the huge common back deck and exclusive park area with benches, garden, and a doggy waste station. For more information or to schedule a tour, please feel free to reach out to me via cell at 857-210-9925 or by email at lou@c21revolution.com. I look forward to seeing you soon.